Yes, you have clicked the right video. And to mention it clearly, it's not a clickbait. It's true. Winners are quitters. Winners quit all the time. If you are wondering what the fuck this guy is saying, then hold on your patience for 2 minutes. Everything will make sense if you follow along. This video will be damn interesting. You might have seen many videos on YouTube that say never quit, finish what you start. That sounds great, but that's not the full point. There is a way where quitting is the most rewarding outcome of all your actions. The difference between winners and the rest of us is the way of quitting. Winners quit the right stuff at the right time, whereas the rest people quit to fail. What? Confused, right? That's why this video is here to clear all your mental blocks about quitting. Stick around. The main concept of this video is taken from the book The Dip by Seth Godin. In this video of Mature Beings, we will discuss about the art of quitting and taking the right judgment. Before that, if you are new here, then welcome to the tribe. For a lifetime growth, improvement and transformation topics, become a part of our tribe by subscribing that red IKG subscribe button below the video. If you are done subscribing, then let's enter into the show. So, here is your answer again. Winners quit the right stuff at the right time. Let me explain you clearly. Jeff Bezos had offers from Intel, Bell Labs and Anderson Consulting. But Jeff turned all those down to start a fintech telecommunications startup, Fitel. After failing his startup, he quit and got into Bankers Trust as a product manager. Later, he again quit that job and got into D.E. Shah & Co. as senior vice president. And then finally, he quit that job to create Amazon. Have you seen something common here? He is constantly taking decisions to quit and get better offers. Winners quit when the current situation becomes burden, which means that they are only doing the work due to the pressure rather than self-interest or growth in that situation. Here is how winners come to a conclusion to quit. 1. If quitting right now gives benefit in the long run, then it's great time to quit. Like quitting the course which you suck. 2. If quitting right now will make you worse than now, then you should invest more time and focus on that work. Like your physical fitness. Here is a noteworthy point to consider. Winners who quit to enter into a new field become an expert in world class. But how does these winners exactly know when to quit? Strategic quitting is the secret to success. Most people just do the opposite, reactive quitting. There are 3 curves that define almost any situation we face when we try to accomplish something in our life. Understanding the different type of situations that lead us to quit is the first step towards what we get to want. Curve 1. The dip. Almost everything in life worth doing is controlled by the dip. When you first start something, it's fun and interesting, and then comes the dip. It's a long slog between beginner's luck and being an expert. But if you manage to stick around and put more effort, then you are the most rewarded person on this planet. In this stage, you have to become the best. Average or above average is not valid. I have posted a YouTube short few days ago about this concept. Be like woodpecker. Watch that video for an example. Curve 2. Cul-de-sac. It's a French word which means dead end. A dead end doesn't get a lot more worse and doesn't get a lot more better. It just remains the same. When you find a dead end, you need to get out fast because it prevents you from doing something meaningful in your life. The opportunity cost of investing your life in something that's not going to get better is just too high. Curve 3. Cliff. It's a point in which you continue to do same thing over and over and all of a sudden you suddenly realize there is no way to get out of that. It's another way of dead end. Quitting when you hit the dip is a bad idea. If the journey you started was worth doing, then quitting when you hit the dip just wastes your time. Quitting the dip often enough and you will find yourself becoming a serial quitter. You would be starting many things but accomplishing very little. Simple rule. If you can't make it through the dip, then don't start. The brave thing to do is to tough it out and end up on the other side of the dip, where you will be benefited from being best in the world. The smart thing to do is not even bothering to start something that's too difficult to make through the dip. And the stupid thing to do is to start something, give it your best, waste time, money, and then quit right at the middle of the dip. If you are facing cliff or cul-de-sac, then quitting is the right decision. And the faster you quit, the better it is. If you are stuck in the dip, then don't quit. Invest in your time and resources and make it through. Become best in the world. See, Amazon struggled a lot of dips, but Jeff went through the dips and became the best in the world. That's why he is now the world's most richest person with $187 billion. Not only Jeff, there are many other people who have utilized the art of quitting. And it's time for you to analyze your life and consider when to quit and when to become the best. If you want growth and personal development related content to improve your life, then subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos and share it with your friends and family. If you found valuable insights in this video, then raise your finger and smash that like icon. YouTube's algorithm will handle the rest of the process. We will meet you in another episode of Mature Beings. Until then, work hard.